So I think why you're seeing quite a bit of increase in M&A activity is our industry is changing. You know, about every 10 to 15 years in technology, I see tectonic plate shifts. Okay, go all the way back from, you know, the mainframe to the client-server environment, client-server to Web 1.0, where I had a front seat at the revolution at eBay. I would say Web 1.0 to now mobility and web services. We're on the cusp of another enormous change. And when that happens, the industry rearranges itself. And I think that's what you're seeing. So we are back in the M&A game now that we have repaired our balance sheet. You saw we bought Aruba, which is wireless campus branch and edge networking. We bought Voltage Security, Context Stream, Eucalyptus. So we will augment our core innovation that we do internally, what we call organic innovation with M&A, but we want to be smart about it. And the Aruba acquisition was perfect. We have a good position in networking. We add that to our core HP networking business, and now we have a terrific value proposition to offer our customers on the occasion of virtually everyone in their campus and branch networks are going to wireless. I mean, I don't know about your office, but does anyone ever plug in through an Ethernet cable anymore? I don't think so.
I hope not, certainly. So, you know, when you mentioned tectonic shifts, do you think we're going to see more consolidation in the industry?
I do think you will see more consolidation. That's typically what happens when industries get disrupted and dislocated. I can't tell you how that will play out. But I'm not entirely surprised at you know, some of the M&A that you've seen in recent weeks.
Any sectors that you would point out where you think it might happen?
So I think there's two kinds of M&A. One is, as you point out, consolidation of big existing players, but there's also all these new startups that are coming up that are either going to go public and be great independent standalone companies or going to become part of bigger companies. So we have to be, you know, watching and thinking about what the right thing for us is in both those areas. And then there's a company like Aruba, very successful company, but probably in the long run needed to be part of a bigger company to leverage our go-to-market. So no one has a better connection to customers globally. We operate in 170 countries. We sell through almost 150,000 value-added resellers. I think you can find HP product anywhere in the world, and that's a value that we now can provide to Aruba, who has a great product, and we plug them into our distribution system, and I think you'll see sales accelerate there.
What do you think of when you're looking at M&A opportunities? What do you think about valuations? I mean, do things seem expensive to you right now?
So certainly in the startup environment in Silicon Valley, it seems expensive to me. But I will say, if you find a company that's completely disruptive and has a chance to take big share from an incumbent, those valuations might be worth it. But we're quite disciplined buyers. You know, we understand that these acquisitions, for the most part, need to be accretive. We have to be responsible to our shareholders. And I think we've been quite disciplined over the last 4 years of what we will and will not buy.